In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bitbucket repository. By the end, you'll feel comfortable signing in, navigating your workspace, and using the core areas of a repository to manage your code confidently. Start by heading to the Bitbucket sign-in page and log in with your Atlassian account. If you prefer a faster sign-in, choose the Google option and select the Google account that's already linked to your Atlassian profile. If your organization uses single sign-on, make sure you pick the correct work account so you land in the right workspace. Once you're in, look for the Repositories section in the left sidebar. This is your home base for all code projects. From here, you can create a new repository or open any existing ones you have access to. If you're starting something new, choose a clear, memorable name and keep your default branch consistent across projects, for example using main, to keep your workflow organized. Open one of your repositories to explore its contents. In the top right, you'll see a menu with 3 dots. This reveals additional actions for your repo. One common task here is adding a file directly in the web interface. This is handy for quick changes, documentation, or small tweaks without leaving your browser. When you add a file, always include a clear commit message so teammates understand the what and why behind your change, and make sure you're committing to the intended branch. Next, check out the commits view. Think of commits as snapshots of your project over time. Here you can scan the history, see who changed what, and drill into the diff for any commit. This is invaluable for troubleshooting, audits, and understanding the evolution of your code. Head over to the branches view to see all active branches or create a new one for feature work, fixes, or experiments. Good naming conventions like feature/login timeout or bug fix header alignment make collaboration easier. Keep branches focused and short-lived to reduce merge conflicts. When you're ready for review or collaboration, use pull requests. This is where you compare branches, ask for feedback, discuss changes, and merge when everything looks good. Pull requests help enforce quality and keep your main branch stable. Finally, open repository settings to configure how your repo behaves. Here you can adjust details like access permissions and branch protections. You can also delete the repository from this area, but proceed with caution. Deletion is permanent. Make sure you truly intend to remove it and that anything important is backed up or archived. And that's it. With sign-in, repositories, actions, commits, branches, pull requests, and settings under your belt, you're ready to work productively in Bitbucket.